Let's keep it simple. Here's a guarantee. EcoKnit is the most technologically advanced, energy-efficient terry towel in the world today, and it will save you money. If you wanted to make savings of up to 40% on your laundry energy bill, which towel would you choose? Well, the answer has to be the EcoKnit towel, and here's why. Because of its unique construction, the EcoKnit towel dries faster. It's that simple. And it's not just a bit faster, it dries up to 40% faster than an ordinary towel. Put that into a financial context, and it means that if a laundry's annual energy bill on towels were £10,000, you could make a potential £4,000 saving each year. With energy costs rising annually, this is a real benefit to your business. But EcoKnit towels offer much more. After multiple washes, an ordinary towel shows real signs of wear and should have been disposed of many wash cycles ago. You might be tempted to say, this doesn't matter because it was cheap, so it's easily replaced with another cheap towel. But wait a minute, experience shows that an EcoKnit towel lasts 2 to 3 times longer than an ordinary towel. If an ordinary towel costs typically 30p each and the EcoKnit towel costs 40p each, buying an ordinary towel twice will already cost you a minimum of 20p more than one EcoKnit towel. Multiply that throughout your business and you're talking serious but preventable additional operating costs. So, on the basis of cost and drying advantages alone, EcoKnit towels from Harteen will save real money for your business. But EcoKnit towels have other important and proven benefits. They're snag-free and virtually indestructible. The loops cannot come loose and the towel cannot fall to pieces like a woven towel. So, no more tearing of hems and fraying of self-edges in the laundering process. No more wastage and throwing away stock, which of course is your money. EcoKnit towels don't suffer from differential shrinkage, so no more of that unsightly bottleneck effect on the towel and awkwardly hanging towels losing their shape, something many customers judge your business by. Increased laundry capacity, because reduced drying times means there is more even balance between the washers and dryers and therefore increased capacity and efficiency. And in a world that is continually moving towards ever more efficient energy use, the EcoKnit towel actually helps reduce your carbon footprint. Ever more stringent legislation is constantly being introduced, and new European rules may mean your company could face a tax on the amount of CO2 it emits. The EcoKnit towel easily helps meet these demands because they're quick drying, up to 40% faster than ordinary woven towels. So emissions and costs are significantly reduced. And finally, customers love EcoKnit towels for their luxurious feel, better absorbency and superior quality. EcoKnit is the most technologically advanced, energy-efficient terry towel in the world today. It will save you money, and that's a fact.